Is this the little girl I married? Shalom! Yom Kippur is coming, and you know what that means. Fashion show at the temple. What? Gotta have my best dress on. And also, I'm putting a little Honest Beauty Magic Beauty Balm on my lips. But you know, this beauty balm could go anywhere. We gotta get crunk for synagogue. This is a great look for Yom Kippur, but it's also a great look for if you wanna impress your parents or you have a conservative something to go to. Listen, it's just a look and I'm giving you an excuse. It's Yom Kippur. Let's just do this. So we gotta fill in the brows. It's the first thing. We gotta fill these brows in. Let's start with Kimiko. This is Kimiko in Latte. Kimiko Super Fine Eyebrow Pencil. Kimiko. Now this is a little lighter than I've been doing it, but I'm kind of digging the lighter version. Okay, Kimiko, we're here. Now, I'm really into this palette. It's really pretty. It's by Revolution in collaboration with the Emily Edit, and this is called The Once. So I'm wearing a little floral number for the shul. So I'm gonna use my fingers, and I'm gonna take Capricorn and place it all over my lid. Can blend really well with that. A little more Capricorn. Now I have no eye primer on, so I just want you to see how well this pigment latches to your eyes. It's kind of amazing. Now I'll take a Jenny Patinkin brush and just kind of blend in there a little bit. Nice. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of Heartbeat, place it on my lid. It just kind of gives this nice like redness. Little like jewel, really into this like jewel situation. Super pretty. And now I'm gonna take a little bit, because I have the green in here, I'm gonna take a little bit of the Side Hustle, just cause why not, and place it in the corner. Ever so slight. It just gives a little bit more depth in the corners. And if you get up real close, you can see it. And sometimes you just want to take it with a finger and place it in the same area. Sometimes. It's just a little blend out. And I got a little fallout. So all I'm going to do is just take a little wipe. Get rid of that fallout, boy. Okay. Here we are. Great. Just a little something something. Just to make the eye a little cute. And just touched up a little bit more, and I had a casualty. My palette totally just broke, and I lost Side Hustle and most of Oh Heavens and some Cupcake, and the top broke off. So sometimes when you're doing great things, awful things happen, but it's okay. Now we're gonna put a little eyeliner on, and I think what we're gonna do is go with Dior. This is their Matte Black. This is not a pretty angle. I'm trying to do this for you guys, but I'm literally doing it in the iPhone, and it's really hard. All right, we anchored our hand here so that we could be still. Now to create that flick, just draw a flick up like this. And then close it. That's it. Super simps. Let's try it on this side. Draw the line and then close it. There we go. Now we're just gonna be a little outrageous. So we're gonna take Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On, and this is an LSD. Something you might wanna take if you're going to temple. Just kidding, not kidding. We're just gonna place a little of this underneath. Got a lot of colors going on, but I think it's nice. I think it's nice to just kind of mix it up, not do your normal swipe and wipe. It's like, also this is waterproof, so if you're gonna cry a little, it's cool. This is a Nars color. It is, let's move this one out of the way and not break anything. Outremer. And I'm just gonna take a teeny bit of that with my pinky and kind of go underneath to set it. See We're getting a little bit more creative, and remember, you haven't seen people for a year, and it's like you want to be written in the book for this year, so you gotta just dress to impress. So next we're gonna take a little bit of this hydrating primer from Laura Mercier, and I'm just gonna take a little of that and just put it all over. It feels really good. I'm trying, people. This is great and amazing and great. Feels great, super hydrating. So next what we're gonna do, I'm gonna use a little Cover FX Power Play, Golden 50. Let's try it. Nice. So just use this dabbing motion and it kind of just blends everything into the skin. And I love this foundation because you can build it from light to dark. I mean, from light, medium to heavy. And it can be really breathable. It's really light. It has a nice like semi-matte, demi-matte. And again, you can like still see my freckles, but like it's enough that it gives me like this even complexion. Looks really pretty. Yes, get it, feel it, do it. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam, borei pri hagafen. Okay, next I'm gonna take the Cover FX powder, translucent set. It's the perfect setting powder, it's called, and it pretty much is. So I'm gonna take a little of that. It's got a cute little mess-proof container, and I'm really digging the Shiseido. This is the Shiseido brush. I don't even know which brush it is, but this is what it looks like, and it just really is soft and goes really nicely on the skin. And I love it. Again, I didn't put much in this area because I put my bangs and no one can see it, so it's all good in the hood. Let's do this. This is the Honest On Point Spotlight and Strobe Kit, which I've used for a long time. I just realized I haven't done any mascara. What's wrong with me? Listen, I'm a little out of sorts. It's the holidays. So I'm gonna take a little of this color right here. Kind of just give this really nice highlight. Yes, you guys, I'm starving because it's Yom Kippur, so I'm fasting. So I forgot what I was supposed to do, and so you just have to be with me and understand that it's normal. Maybe a little bit more like in the white color on top of that to make it pop a little bit more. Again, so hungry, so I need to be hydrated. Now I'm gonna take Flesh in Jiggly. Looks like I have a lip color on, but I don't. Isn't that funny? This is by Flesh. And just kind of give a little flush in the color. I mean, in the you guys, I'm starving. A little bit of color in the cheeks, a flash of color, and then kind of blend with my fingers. Oh, hello. Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Pretty. Great. We're not gonna do any fake lashes because who has time for that? I just stuck my hands in a bag and I found the Honest Lip Crayon in Melon. Pretty. Wow, I love that. So pretty and so bright and like perfect for breaking the fast. This is definitely a carb friendly color, so when you go in for your kugel and your bagels and all that good herring and fish, he'll know you picked the right, I can't even talk, you guys, I am starving. You picked the right color, the Melon Demi Matte. Kind of smells like I could eat it, but I probably shouldn't because I'm fasting. Oh, I just drank. Okay, the fast is over. We broke it with LaCroix. We're shooting this on a day before Yom Kippur, so it doesn't really matter. And that about sums up the Yom Kippur look. I hope you have a wonderful day. It doesn't matter what you're celebrating. If you're just celebrating being alive and life, enjoy your day. And please subscribe, tell a friend, pass this video along, and feel good. Comment below and have a great week.